Hey everyone, New England Gardening here. Today's Sunday, May 22nd. I cut down another 10 frame box to 8 frames. It's a honey super. I want to put this on top. Take a look inside the hive. Seems to be pretty crowded too. And the entrance there, they still wanted to use the top entrance. So I got a shim here, give them another entrance. Cut down on the log jam. And see if there's any swarm cells in there, because I think they're pretty packed in there. So let's take a look. I've got my smoker. Let's smoke them. So it's 11 o'clock and it's 84. Yesterday's heat didn't materialize. I think we were close to the coast. The breeze was coming off the coast. But I think today might make 96 is the forecast. It's humid too. So I'll get my gloves on because I have to take this top hive off. Well, I don't have to. I can just, if I don't do an inspection, I can just throw this super on. I've got the excluder. I wired up a whole bunch of frames. Let me show you what I have here. Oh, and I got a little artistic. Been meaning to put some color on these boxes, but I had to wire up these frames here, and then I had one sheet of wax from Horizontal Hives that I purchased for a starter strip. I guess they say comb or wax is king, or extremely valuable in beekeeping if you have drawn out frames. Can't have enough, so let's see if I can checkerboard these and get them to draw out some frames without foundation. Just the starter strip. And I've got shorts on. Let's take a look at what we got going on here. Okay, I don't see no queen. Oops. A little bit of a breeze. Man, there's a lot of pollen coming in. Let's take this off. Already got stung on the leg. This is what I'm seeing on the bottom board. So I got a lot of bees. Just checking to see if I can see any queen cells, but not see anything offhand. Alright everyone, so this is the bottom box there. It's just packed sheet of brood ready to hatch. I don't think I'm going to see the queen. I've lost the practice of, I was never good at it, but she's there because I got all the brood, and I get drones, more drones available than before. So you can see here the nectar starting to cap off the honey, and the drones there eating it. So the outside, they're not even drawing it out. It looks like what they're on it. Maybe they are drawing a little bit. So, well, there's some brood Well, there's a brood on this frame. Drones, larva. If the queen isn't on this, I could put this on the other side to draw the bees up. And when these hatch, just get back filled with honey. As long as the queen is on here. I see queen cups, but no queen cells of any kind. Alright everyone, so we're going to put the shim on here. Give them another place to be able to get in. Going to put queen excluder on that. I've got 2 frames in this box here with honey, and they're honeycomb checkerboarded with some existing frames of honey, and 2 frames that I brought up from underneath here. So let me put this back on. And the inner cover. Alright everyone, so that was quite the disruption. That entrance is pretty much where they expect it to be. So I've got the queen excluder, so she can't get up in the top box, and hopefully they're not going to make wonky comb. I'll check on it. I don't know, 5 days or so, see what's going on. And yeah, it's a growing colony. I didn't see any queen cells, any swarm cells. I did not see the queen. Let's see brood. And get that box on there. Gives them more space. So if they want to move honey around, they can do that. So this is New England Gardening. Thanks for watching. The guard bee around my veil.